All right, our next founder is bringing action to wearable devices. Please welcome up Kilton from IoTrax.
Thank you. So, no matter which markets adopt it first, no matter which protocols and languages become popular, the Internet of Things is going to be built by developers. And our mission is to give them the best possible way to build. We give them a universal runtime that they put wherever they want, wherever it's needed. And that's our fog computing technology. We let them build in any language, and we let them leverage existing skills that they have, such as building against REST APIs. We eliminate the need to write that wasteful code to just move data from point to point to point, and we let them actually focus on writing code that does stuff with the data. Our base technology is open source and free. And we've recently been picked up by the Eclipse Foundation, so we're in the process of placing the code base under Eclipse. That gives us massive market adoption, or awareness anyway, with developers, and a lot of enterprise trust, directly aligned with our mission. So we have fantastic revenue opportunities for the future, which is additional products such as tackling IoT solution deployment and management. That will not be a free product. Looking forward to solving that problem. So our technology is available today, and we've just begun to teach developers how to build with it, and we are currently striving to learn as much as possible about the daily lives and challenges of developers working with IoT. I am severely understaffed. We need capital and resources to accomplish our mission, and so we're raising our seed round now. If you think you can help with that, please come talk to me. Thank you.